The death of a Kanpur businessman in Gorakhpur after the raid by UP police has led to a massive controversy in the state. The revelations put a question mark on the police's functioning, the status of law and order in the state, and whether the police itself has turned criminal. A 38-year-old property dealer from Kanpur died after he was allegedly assaulted by policemen who entered his hotel room in Gorakhpur in the early hours of Tuesday, claiming to be looking for criminals. 6 policemen, including the station house officer of Ramgarh Tal police station, have been suspended, though police are yet to lodge a case in the matter. While police claim that Gupta died after a fall in the hotel room, the victim's wife submitted a complaint to the Gorakhpur Superintendent of Police, alleging that policemen misbehaved with her husband, and when he objected to their behavior, he was assaulted, resulting in serious injuries and his death. In a statement, Gorakhpur SP Vipin Tada said, during a check for criminals, police from Ramgarh Tal police station went to a hotel. 3 suspected youths from different cities were staying in one of the hotel rooms. When the police team went there with the hotel manager, in panic, one of the men in the room fell and injured himself. After this, our men got him admitted to a hospital where he was treated. He died during a treatment at BRD hospital. A panel of doctors will do a post-mortem. An investigation will be carried out to find out why the 3 men were there. However, the family claims that police beating resulted into death of Manish Gupta. According to the family, Manish Gupta along with 2 other friends had gone to Gorakhpur to meet his friend. They had booked a hotel room. On Monday night at around 12 o'clock, some policemen knocked on their door and sought their ID cards. When questioned why they were seeking IDs of private citizens so late at night, the police started slapping them and harassing them. They also threatened to arrest the men. They dragged one of them out of the room while he heard a loud thud. Then he saw Manish Gupta lying on the floor with blood oozing from his mouth. The police then moved him to a local hospital which referred him to BRD hospital. However, Manish could not be saved and died during treatment. His family alleges that the cops who arrived for checking were in drunken state. One of the eyewitnesses said while the police demanded to check the ID cards, one of them said that they are not terrorists. They had come to Gorakhpur to see the development work done by CM Yogi Adityanath. However, the police did not listen to them and started beating them up. After this incident, however, the police was accused of covering up the crime. Initially, police said that Manish was in drunken state and was found dead in his hotel room. Here is what they said.
अपराधियों की चेकिंग के दौरान थाना रामगढ़ ताल की पुलिस एक होटल में गई। वहां पर एक कमरे में 3 युवक संदिग्ध अलग अलग शहरों से आए थे जो ठहरे थे। इस सूचना पर पुलिस ने होटल मैनेजर को साथ में लेकर कमरे की चेकिंग करने गई, जहां पर हड़बड़ाहट में एक युवक की कमरे में गिरने से चोट लग गई। दुर्घटनावश हुई इस घटना से पुलिस ने तत्काल होटल मैनेजर को साथ लेकर युवक को अस्पताल में भर्ती करवाया, जहां पर उसका इलाज हुआ। बीआरडी में दौरान इलाज उस युवक की मृत्यु हो गई। पुलिस ने तत्काल परिजनों को सूचित किया है। शव को मोर्चरी में रखवाया गया है। आगे डॉक्टरों के पैनल से पोस्टमार्टम करवाकर इसमें नियमानुसार कार्रवाई की जाएगी। फिलहाल ये युवक किस पर्पस से, किस कार्य से यहाँ आए थे, इसकी जांच की जा रही है और किसके साथ ये यहाँ रहे थे, कितने दिन रहे थे, इस संबंध में जानकारी कर आगे कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
However, later on, the police suspended 6 policemen. The case, however, has got a new twist with a video of police allegedly asking Manish Gupta's wife, Meenakshi Gupta, to not file an FIR. The video surfaced on the internet shows District Magistrate Vijay Kiran Anand and Senior Superintendent of Police Vipin Tada are requesting the victim's family to not register an FIR. The conversation was allegedly happening at Raghav Das Medical College's police post in Gorakhpur. Manish's wife has also accused the police of destroying the evidence. On one hand, the police is trying to cover up, but Manish Gupta's post-mortem report has exposed it. The post-mortem report has revealed that Manish had serious injury marks on his head, face and body. Manish was hit hard on the front of his head, due to which blood was oozing from his mouth. However, the police in their first statement after the incident had called it an accidental death. This whole matter has now caught political steam. SP workers have camped in the area, while Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra spoke to Manish's wife over phone call and promised support including the legal aid. Priyanka alleged that Uttar Pradesh police is soft towards criminals and barbaric towards common people. Former Chief Minister and SP leader Akhilesh Yadav targeted the Yogi government over this matter and said in a tweet that police brutality in Gorakhpur killed a young businessman. This is very sad and condemnable. This is a result of the violent culture of encounters that the BJP government of Uttar Pradesh has given birth to. At the same time, he demanded a murder trial against people involved in this case and also demanded resignation of Yogi Adityanath, who pushed UP into violence. Akhilesh Yadav spoke to Manish Gupta's wife, father and sisters on Thursday afternoon. He consoled them and also announced a financial assistance of 20 lakh rupees from Samajwadi Party to help the family. At the same time, BSP Supremo Mayawati has demanded a CBI inquiry into the matter. According to reports, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also spoke to wife of the deceased over the phone call and announced a compensation of 10 lakh rupees to the family. Also, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is likely to meet the family of the victim today.
सबसे गिनती है इस होटल ही में मेरे हस्बैंड का खून हुआ है, एक पुलिस वाले ने किया है। प्लीज न्याय दिला दीजिए। आप देखिए बाकी सारे क्लिप कहीं खून नहीं है, वो खून से लथपथ थे। दो दोस्तों ने भी बताया यहीं पे खून भरा हुआ था, होटल वालों ने सब साफ करवा दिया। प्लीज मदद करिए, मेरे पति को न्याय दिलाइए प्लीज।